Hey guys, what's up? Jason Flegel here, the Content Marketing Manager for Motava. Now, I want to come at you today asking you a very specific question. Is your website tracking two very important business objectives or conversions? If not, this is really important for you to implement today. These two important business objectives or conversions I want to share with you from my colleague, Victor Belanzik. He is the senior partner and managing consultant for Motava. He shared these awesome insights to help you guys better get your website converting and accomplishing the business objectives that you have set in place. So these two, real quick. Number one, a macro conversion. So a macro conversion is a direct sale or a hard lead that immediately can be converted to a customer. So you need to be tracking that. Very, very important. Number two, micro conversion. So this is a trigger that indicates some kind of connection with a website visitor. So some examples are like mailing list, visiting a web page, interacting with the web page, social posts that you might have embedded on the website, video views, all those kinds of things. Those are micro conversions. A example of a macro objective or conversion would be sales on an e-commerce site. So really important to be tracking those. Do you have those implemented on your website? If not, highly recommend checking it out. Victor actually published an amazing blog post that kind of walks through this in more detail. I will link to that blog post below. So if you are interested, check it out. Highly recommend it. It's very important to have these implemented for your business. You need to be tracking your numbers, tracking who you're interacting with to be able to catalyze the growth of your business. If you have any questions about this process or want to know more information or want to work with a partner like us who can help execute on these business objectives for you and catalyze your growth to the next level, help you make more money, be better positioned for growth, let us know. Check us out at motava.com, motava.com. Fill out the contact information or send a direct message to me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope this information is valuable. What are some other business objectives that you are currently tracking in with your website? Is it working out? What are some things that you can change? Please let me know. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.